Yes.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing? Today I'm meeting with one of the very senior Toastmasters who joined Toastmasters in 1961 when I was not even born yet.
Well, that's
Please, please.
our loss that you weren't around in 1961.
No problem. Now I was born in 1981 and I'm Toastmaster for past 2 years, and the pace I had taken was not even taken by the people who have joined 20 years ago.
We're slow.
Please tell your name. What was your home club? We can keep
Okay. My name is Aaron Geller, Geller. I'm an advocate of the last president of Toastmaster, who was Bahara Arun Asalam. So I've taken part of his name, and my name is now Aaron Arun Asalam.
Wow. All right. So what's your home club name?
My club was Gate City Toastmasters,
Gate City.
District 78, club number 759.
All right. And
That means that we are the 759th club chartered when Ralph Smedley was president of the organization.
oh wow. So you are one of the very first clubs. Even the total number of clubs were not 1,000 yet. 750, right?
759.
759.
But before that, I was a member of a club number 370. That was
370.
the 370th club chartered by Toastmasters International when they were in Santa Ana, California.
All right. Do these clubs exist yet?
No,
No. All right.
the second one, 759 does,
All right.
but 370 does not.
All right. And when did you complete your DTM?
I never completed my DTM.
Okay, you are not DTM yet. So what did stop you to achieve DTM?
For everybody that has a goal, a DTM is a wonderful thing. In my case, I have too many goals, and I want to do them all, and I'm waiting for the day to be a DTM.
All right. When are you expecting to be DTM?
I hope to be a DTM by, not in London, but the next convention in Nashville.
All right. So do you know that if you want to achieve DTM after 30th June 2020, that has to be in pathways only?
Say that again?
If you want, in order to achieve DTM after 30th June 2020, that DTM will be done in pathways. The convention method will not be accepted.
I'm very close now.
All right. So if you're close, then you will be finishing your DTM by end of 30th June 2020,
Yes,
before next convention.
yes.
Because you must have served as an area director, division director, or any position.
I was district governor in 81, 82, District 20.
So you must have now you are supposed to complete your DTM by end of this term, this year, this Toastmasters.
I can do that.
Yes, because otherwise, all your previous achievements in terms of speeches, communication, will be all taken away, vanished.
What? No kidding?
Yeah, and I'm not kidding.
Boy, that's
Yeah.
terrible.
No, it's not. I don't know it's terrible or not, but the thing is, this is the reality. In order to achieve your DTM after 30th June 2020, that has to be in pathways. That's it.
Well, that's too bad. It's a matter of fact, in my particular case, I don't hold, I'll say it differently. Achieving Distinguished Toastmaster is an achievement that every Toastmaster could aspire to. In my particular case, I would prefer to keep aspiring to that date and keep doing things. Now, on the other hand, being a DTM, will that stop me from doing what I want to do? No. But I'm doing it my way, and I'm still a member of Toastmasters. I've gone to 42 international conventions, and I'm still going to international conventions. I'm meeting nice young people like this gentleman that's taking this recording, and I can tell you that for those people that are distinguished Toastmasters, I congratulate them and hope they'll continue being a Toastmaster.
And you are actually, honestly speaking, I'm not saying because I'm talking to you.
No.
You are one of the inspirations. People are still in Toastmasters and they are joining. They look up to you when you are presenting. How old are you? Can you just share?
I'm 84.
He's 84 years old. He joined Toastmasters International in 1961.
I was 26.
He was 26 and he's been to 41 conventions. Isn't it amazing? The people, many of you are not even 41 years old. But this gentleman who is inspiring thousands of people around the world by going to Toastmasters conventions every year, no matter which country the convention is being happened. And I'm so enthralled to meet and talk to you, sir. Thank you so much.
The only thing that I'll correct you on is this. I have never left North America.
All right.
I've never gone to a foreign country.
Okay.
I've only been in North America.
All right. So it means all the 41 conventions happened in America.
In the United States and Canada.
United States and Canada. All right.
Yeah.
So in American continent only.
Yes. Yes.
All right. Great. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you very much.
I'm so pleased to get in touch with you and meet you. Thank you so much. And having.
And you are who?
My name is Amjadali, Distinguished Toastmaster Amjadali. I joined Toastmasters in 2017.
Okay.
2 years ago. And I happened to finish my DTM in 23 months.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
And when I started my journey, I wasn't able to speak English and forget the other language and coming on stage. Now I happen to be a speaker, one of the speakers who has spoken in 22 different countries just because of Toastmasters. And I always share this story with a lot of people that if this gentleman can do that, anybody can do that. So it's just a matter of your passion, your priorities, and where you want to see yourself in
Exactly. And anybody can do it. It's a matter of how much you want to do it, not to do it. You're not being paid to do anything. It's your ambition to be able to communicate not with one person or two, but thousands.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're
Very
more
nice
than
meeting
welcome.
You. I appreciate
You want your little gadget?
Thank you so much. Nice meeting you.